Hi, my name is Erfan Afshar, Master of Mechanical Engineering. Today I want to show you how to repair a broken air conditioner panel. I have to solder both sides of this PCB to reattach the orbits. The price of this unit in my country is about $350. So I decided to repair it for my customer with less than $80. This part of PCB has two functions. AC on off switch and change temperature low and high. You have to consider three important tips. First, locate this broken part concentric with PCB. Second, locate that broken part at the same level with PCB. And the last one, solder the bridge on the back part of the board as much as possible. Goodbye. Have a nice time.